Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing out there? Hopefully everybody's having a good day, remaining safe. So today's video is going to be an organize with me and my two pedicure carts. So that's basically what I'm doing. If you haven't seen this haul, please go back and check my videos. It will be posted down below. I did do a haul on all of this stuff for my pedicures, and I gave detailed information on where I got all this stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So as you see right here, I have both of my pedicure carts. The gray one I am using to actually store all of my pedicure stuff, and the white one I am using to store my towels. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to attach the rollers on the bottom of my carts, so that way it makes it easier when I am doing my pedicures for me to roll out the carts and move it when necessary. If I need to move it where I do the pedicures at, move it back to its regular spot. So I'm just adding these wheels on both of my carts. Okay, so as you see here, I have my pedicure cart on the rollers and it's rolling perfectly. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add all of my goodies to the drawer. These are actually my pedicure liners. So I'm going to place those in the bottom drawer just as a backfill. I do have one that's already open, which I'll probably show you shortly, I believe, in this clip. So I'm just going to store all of those down at the bottom. And of course, I'm not going to leave them like that because of my low-key OCD. So you see me here. Don't mind my headscarf. I was getting ready to leave. So I'm like, let me just do this video really quickly before I leave out the house. So yeah. So next I'm going to put my gloves in the top drawer. I figured that would be easy access for me, just to pull out the top drawer and grab a set of gloves. I use a new pair of gloves for each client, of course. I'm also going to put a stack of business cards in there, so that way I don't have to roll over to my nail desk to grab any business cards if my clients ask for any. I do have nail glue, just in case I have to apply a false tip on the big toe. Here is my cuticle oil that I got from Target. I did haul this in a haul video, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go check that out. So again, like I said, I do have a minor case of OCD. I am moving my stuff around unnecessarily. So this is, well, what I put in there was my sugar scrub. That is actually what I use to scrub and massage my clients for their pedicure. So I put that in there. And of course, I moved the cuticle oil and the glue down to the second drawer. So like I said, I'm moving stuff all around just to kind of make it convenient for me. So next I have my 100% pure acetone. I did go ahead and put that in the bottom drawer, seeing as how it's one of the bigger or larger items that I have. So I put that there. I put both of them down in the bottom, actually, just so that way the heavier stuff would be at the bottom. So now I'm going to take my pedicure pumice kits and I'm going to line them together. I did kind of figure out how I wanted them, so I know it's like this initially, but I ended up turning them sideways or vertically in the drawer from what you're seeing. So you'll see me start moving that there to kind of make room in the drawer. And then also I'm going to put my jelly pedicure packs in this drawer as well. So this drawer is actually going to be, I shouldn't say chugged, but it's going to be full. So now here are my jelly pedicure packs. I do have about 10 of each kind. So I am going to organize those together as well as I can to make sure that I try to get all of them in the drawer, but of course I did not get all of them in the drawer. I ended up putting some in my nail desk. So yeah, I had to make do with the room that I had. So next what I have is, of course, my 5-inch 2-speed fan that I got from Walgreens. I did a kind of like unboxing haul on this. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go watch that video. This actually did not come with any batteries, so I have to go ahead and put the batteries in there. I'm going to take it out the box. Like I said, this is battery operated. It also has a cord, so that way you can plug it in, but I just think that no cords is always the best way to go. So of course I am going to put the batteries in there. Doesn't take that much to take a screwdriver, pop the backing off, and then screw it back on once you put the batteries in. And that's it, that's all.